most powerful chip we have ever built and will enable the next frontier of AI models.
Imagine a future where AI clones your voice in seconds, creates stunning music from simple text, and transforms ordinary videos into cinematic masterpieces. Today, Google made this future a reality. Stay tuned, because we're diving deep into every groundbreaking announcement from Google Cloud Next 2025.
Today, I'm pleased to announce that we are making Google's global private network available to enterprises around the world.
First, let's explore Veo2, Google's revolutionary video model. Right now, we're living in a content economy. Content is everywhere. You've probably heard of powerful creative tools like Sora, Paleo, Kling, Luma, Runway. The market is flooded. You can check out video tutorials for these platforms by clicking the I button or finding the links in the description below. But Google decided to simplify everything by bringing all these powerful capabilities onto a single platform, Veo2. Think of it as your one-stop creative powerhouse. Effortlessly generate visuals from text, transform images seamlessly, produce professional voiceovers, compose original music, and craft captivating video clips, all in one place. Honestly, folks, this isn't just innovation. This is next-level stuff. Next up, meet Lyria, Google's astonishing text-to-music model. Just type in a description of the music you imagine, and Lyria instantly creates unique, 30-second tracks. Ideal for creators seeking original, royalty-free music tailored exactly to their needs. Say goodbye to generic soundtracks.
Let's hear a clip from Lyria.
Proud to announce our 7th generation TPU, Ironwood, is coming later this year. Compared to our first publicly available TPU, Ironwood achieves 3,600 times better performance, an incredible increase. It's the most powerful chip we have ever built and will enable the next frontier of AI models.
Introducing Ironwood, Google's most powerful TPU yet. Boasting 5 times the peak compute power and 6 times the memory bandwidth of its predecessor, Ironwood TPUs deliver performance 24 times greater than the world's fastest supercomputer. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a tech revolution, powering the future of AI.
Ironwood TPUs are our largest and most powerful TPU pods to date, more than a 10x improvement from our most recent high-performance TPU, with over 9,000 chips per pod. To meet the exponentially growing demands of the most demanding thinking models, like Gemini 2.5. This delivers a staggering 42.5 exaflops of compute per pod. To give you a sense of the scale, the world's #1 supercomputer supports 1.7 exaflops. Ironwood pods offer more than 24 times that compute power. Software is how we orchestrate and simplify access to this powerful hardware. And today, we're introducing 3 enhancements for AI inference. First, we're introducing new inference capabilities in Google Kubernetes Engine, including Gen AI-aware scaling and load balancing features, which help reduce serving costs by up to 30%, tail latency by up to 60%, and increase throughput by up to 40%. Second, we're announcing that Pathways, Google's own distributed ML runtime, powering Gemini, is now available for the first time for cloud customers. Developed by Google DeepMind, Pathways enables state-of-the-art multi-host inferencing for dynamic scaling with high performance at optimal costs. Now you can scale out model serving to hundreds of accelerators for the best combination of batch efficiency and low latency. Third, we're bringing VLLM to TPUs. This allows customers who've optimized PyTorch with VLLM for GPUs to easily and cost-efficiently run their workloads on TPUs. All of these AI hypercomputer hardware and software enhancements together enable us to deliver more intelligence or useful AI output at a consistently low price. This is one reason why Gemini 2.0 Flash, powered by AI hypercomputer, achieves 24 times higher intelligence per dollar compared to GPT-4o, and 5 times higher than DeepSeek R1. Today, we are announcing that Gemini can run on Google Distributed Cloud locally in air-gapped environments, as well as connected environments. This all comes with the support for NVIDIA's confidential computing and Blackwell systems, DGX B200 and HGX B200 platforms with Dell as a key partner. This complements our Google Distributed Cloud air-gapped product, which is now authorized for US government secret and top secret missions, and on which Gemini is now available, providing the highest levels of security and compliance.
Today, I'm pleased to announce 3 new innovations with Gemini and Workspace.
Google is revolutionizing digital workspace and security. Unified Security integrates threat detection and response automation powered by Gemini AI.
Google Docs, where you can interact with docs in an entirely new way by creating high-quality audio versions of your content. And Google Workspace Flows to help you automate time-consuming, repetitive tasks and to make decisions with more context. We are excited to announce the general availability of Meta's Llama 4 on Vertex AI. And last week, we announced that AI2's full portfolio of open models are also accessible on the Vertex AI Model Garden. With Vertex AI, you can be sure your model has access to the right information at the right time. You can connect to any data source or any vector database on any cloud. And announcing today, you can build agents directly on our existing NetApp storage without requiring any data duplication. You can connect to a broad range of applications, including Oracle, SAP, ServiceNow, and Workday. And for model factuality, we offer the most comprehensive approach to grounding on the market today, combining grounding with Google Search, grounding with your own enterprise data, Google Maps, and third-party sources. With Google Cloud, starting today, you can build and manage multi-agent systems with Vertex AI and our new agent development kit. You can scale the adoption of agents across your enterprise with our newly released Google Agent Space. And you can accelerate deployment with packaged AI agents that are ready for use today. Following the introduction of Vertex AI Agent Builder last year, we're announcing today a new agent development kit. It is a new open source framework that simplifies the process of building sophisticated multi-agent systems. Now you can build sophisticated Gemini-powered agents, help them use tools, do complex multi-step tasks, including reasoning or thinking. You can also discover other agents, learn their skills, and enable agents to work together while maintaining precise control. Agent Development Kit supports the Model Context Protocol, which provides a unified way for AI models to access and interact with various data sources and tools rather than requiring custom integrations for each and every one. We're also introducing a new agent-to-agent protocol that allows agents to communicate with each other regardless of the underlying model and framework they were developed with. This protocol is supported by many leading partners who share our vision to allow agents to work across the multi-agent ecosystem.
Today, we're announcing our next generation of Customer Engagement Suite, which will include human-like voices, comprehension, and the ability to understand emotions, so agents can adapt better during the conversation. Streaming video support, so virtual agents can interpret and respond to what they see in real time through customer devices.
Google Cloud Next 2025 isn't just tech innovation, it's your gateway to the future. Stay ahead, embrace the change, and harness the power of tomorrow, today. Don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share.